Good morning, everyone. Saturday, Susan Torsha, Palm Harbor Homes here in Tomball, Texas. This morning, I am in the Somerset. This is a 32 by 60, 4-bedroom home. Look how beautiful that is. Stainless steel appliances, comes with all the appliances. 4-bedroom, big size bedrooms. Utility room, full tape and texture. Look at this master. Big master closet, and my favorite part, look at this shower. Little spot to put your makeup on, dual sinks. Come and see me today. Palm Harbor Homes here in Tomball. My number is 281-771-9069. Can't wait to see you.